and welcome back to another Hexblocks video. Today we'll be teaching you how to do the SHA-256 encryptions and bcrypt, if I'm not wrong. Yes, we made our website. We're currently working on the GitHub website, so we can download. You guys download all the templates we do and practice on, and the codes and the scripts. And I want to show you guys something really cool. Made a few scripts to show you guys how to write scripts to crack different hashes. So obviously when you do ethical hacking, then you find encrypted passwords, hashes, and etc. So we have two different ones. As you can see, the first one here, bcrypt, or however you say it, we have that as well. We're going to show you how the script looks like this, and also show you a real world hack on how it works and how to crack credentials. Then we have M5D, which is not used anymore because it's really weak, easy to hack. But either way, if you haven't seen that video, the video before this video will show you how to use it. We have our own RockU pass, which is the password generator, and then we also have our SHA-256 cracker as well. This one and this one are used more on the real world because they're more difficult to crack, but with the script we made, it makes cracking them so simple and easy. The only difficult bit is finding their encrypted password. There's some things I can't teach you due to laws and regulations. What I can teach you is the ethical somewhat way. They're going to be new series we're starting being hunting scammers, which will be quite cool, I think, and then you guys can see our real world techniques, how we do it. So yeah, let's get on with this video. Hopefully you enjoy it. Thank you for 188 or 189 subscribers. I'm loving the feedback, loving the comments, and yes, I have read the comments as well. We'll be doing the beef exercise part 2, but that's in the plans for future because we're trying to build a bigger website and then do a full like an hour video of every single bit, how it works. And also the AI powered, it's like ChatGPT, but AI powered just to do for hacking and learning algorithms. And the way it learns is by whilst you hack, it learns how to do it, and it's with GPUs, CPUs. So we're going to do that, but that video is going to take a little bit longer for us to create the AI, which is possible to do it. There's a lot of things happening with it. So yeah, it's gonna be a while. Anyway, enough chit chat, let's go on with the video. So first of all, I'm going to show you the script of, let's say, the first one, which is nano. We're going to open it and then we're going to type in bcrypt. If you don't know how to make these, watch my previous video and I'll teach you how to make files and what's nano and how to code. So we're going to open that and this is how the script looks like. So we did import. This is what we want, right? Replace this with the bcrypt hash from your website or web page, wherever you find, like target hash equals b, that symbol, and then you paste that encrypted password which you need to hack, then close it off. Next one's like we have RockU pass, which is all our passwords, so you can use and replace this wherever you want, wherever you think is suitable and will work. Try each, and this will try every single password. If it does find it, it will print password found followed by the password, right? So let's see how it works. So we're gonna do that. So we're gonna do, see, this is what we made for you guys, so you can practice on. You can generate your own passwords. Like for example, we're gonna do this one today. So let's say, I don't know, super simple one, password 123, right? 23, and then we press generate. And then we have our encrypted password. The hashed password is this. Try find what it is, right? And after you do that, you press this little thingy, right? So what we're going to do... Oh, I don't want to highlight all of it. Come on. Work today with me. So we're going to do this. Copy it. Go to our terminal. This is the wrong terminal. This terminal. So what we're going to do here is... With nano, you literally have to physically go in and do this. It only allows you to copy and paste. Right, so we're going to do delete this encryption. And then what we're going to do is go in here, paste, double check everything's okay. They're all closed off. Sweet, I'm going to press Control O to save, and then Control X to exit. And then what we're going to do is to activate it will be Python 3 and then B. No, I don't want that. There we go. B, there we go. And then we're going to press go. And look, within so quickly, password found. And the password is password 123. How do we know it works? Because yes, we generated that password. So it should work, right? 123. Boom, try. And they say, you cracked the password. Great job. Successfully cracked the hash. Try another. So let's try another one, right? So we did MD5s. They're really common. They're very basic, very weak. I hope no company's using them. Really, really easy. With these, a little bit difficult to obtain because you have to obtain the session cookies of the user. Hence why they're a little bit more difficult. But we have a script. Even if you do have, let's say, admin. Let's see if we can find it. Admin generated a new hash. So you see, it's much more longer. It's different. So what we're going to do is going to copy it. Why am I going to do the second one? Yeah, there we go. Then we're going to do nano. Then we go to SH, which is that one. Then we're going to open it. Go down to the encryption. Because you don't have to change anything else. You just have to change your encryptions. And this script is very powerful. Because just a simple script like this, people don't understand. When you do ethical hacking, a lot of things we use scripts to execute codes, obviously. So yeah, knowing how to write scripts is amazing. And if you don't know how to write scripts, the world we live in, of the power of AI, there's way you can make ChatGPT and other AI projects to write you passwords, but obviously it's not gonna teach how to do it maliciously. I am gonna do more videos how to write your own malware ethically, obviously, because I know all this. And yeah, hopefully the videos are gonna get better. Okay, we're gonna do this, do that, and boom, admin found it. Look, just a simple script like that, and we already found the password called admin. Sometimes if it doesn't find the password, is because it is not stored in your admin. Did I spell it wrong? I spelled it wrong, yeah. There we go. There we go. Done it. Sweet. So my advice is, for example, we have a very huge word list. So I'll show you guys in a minute. Where is it? Oh, rock you password. So as you can see, we have a very, very long word list. It goes in, we have over 10,000. So, you know, there's a lot of passwords out there. If you don't know, you can go on a sec list, download each one. So if this script, which we have, doesn't find a password, is because it is not in your ROCU file. So you want to make sure of that. This is what I mean. You want to use really, really encrypted, different hashes, different characters in your password to make it super, super difficult to find. Maybe I'll create a web app that you can test your password strengths and do that and make sure it doesn't save anything. But obviously, you know how it works. Some people can copy my code and turn it into something malicious. So we always want to be careful of that. Sometimes when you want to find people's hashes, you can look obviously in your DevTools. Well, I'll show you guys as well. Settings, more tools, web dev. So as you can see, you can find a lot: consoles, debugger, network. So if there's a cookie, you can learn how using Burp Suite crack cookies, and sometimes passwords are stored in a cookie. Or what you could do, you can do Control U, and sometimes there's, you know, exposed cookie credentials or hashed or encrypted password sum of the user. So there's many ways how you can obtain it. So I just want to say this is several things how to crack encrypted hashed password via SHA-256, or well, people say it's SHA-256, or bcrypt. That's how I pronounce it. You know, and those two encryptions are really high end, and a lot of companies still use them. But with this script and my word list, which I have, which is the ROCU_pass, it's quite powerful, as you saw yourself. It took literally minimal effort. You only have to change the encryption key in a script, save it, and then use Python 3, and then just press enter. And if it doesn't find this, because it's not in the ROCU file, which you have or I don't have, so obviously then it gets a little bit more harder. But there's so many exposed passwords from past years to updated till now on Seclist and GitHub that everyone's credentials are not safe. If a hacker wants something from you, they will get it. And a spoiler alert, if you made it to the end of this video, we are going to be starting series of exposing hackers, catching predos. I can't really say the full name because of the YouTube algorithm, and they don't like that name, but you know the gist. We will be doing that, but obviously video upload will be a little bit slower because it takes some time to do that. And also, we'll be teaching you guys as well in them videos how to use Altsnip, well, social engineering basically. Gathering information about them, exposing them, then reporting them to the police or the federal or stuff like that. So stay tuned, there's going to be more stuff coming out soon. We're currently working on a GitHub page so you guys can download our codes, practice yourself ethically, because I want to do everything for free. I want to teach you guys as much as I possibly can. So if you have any ideas what you want to see next, which I'm capable of, I'll do it. If I'm not, I'll do some research and teach you guys as much as I know, if you know what I mean. It's just a hacking community. I want to get everyone together, involved in this, having nice projects, having good chat, having banter. Because at the end of the day, we love IT and this is what we're passionate about. So hopefully stay safe, stay ethical, don't do nothing stupid. This is all for educational purposes. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys Wednesday.